Hello and welcome my dear students. I am Rohan sir from Mehdi English Medium School. I welcome my all dear 3rd standard little gems in today's science lecture. My dear little gems, I hope that in the previous lecture of class test you have attended all the answers, you have written all your answers and you have sent it to your follow-up teachers. So I hope that you even enjoyed that class test, because in this class test you neither had to come to school and sit in class, nor any supervisor was there to stand on your head and taking the timer, the stopwatch. I know that many students really enjoyed it, because I got the feedbacks from few students that they are really enjoying these type of class tests, as they are the only supervisor and they are the only teachers who are going to check their own paper. So I really appreciate to those students who have done this class test honestly without taking help of any book or anyone else. So students, I hope that today also you are sitting with your rough notebooks, and again I must inform you that you don't have to hold your textbook in today's lecture as well. Please keep your textbooks away. Just be ready with your rough books and your compass box and whatever you need to write in your rough book. I hope that you all are ready with your books. So what are we going to do today? Class test of chapter 6 part 2. Yes, yesterday also it was a class test of the same chapter, but it was part 1. So today we are going to conduct part 2 for the same chapter. I hope that you all are ready with your book. Please give the heading chapter 6 part 2. Please give the heading chapter 6 part 2. There is no need to write class test of chapter 6 part 2. Just write chapter 6 part 2, and then when you will send us the photo, we will understand that you are sending us part 2 test. Just make sure you mention today's date. Yes, date is very much important, so that everything what we note down, we are noting it down date wise. So make sure you never fail to write the date on which you are appearing for the test. Maybe few students are such that they are not able to watch the lecture on time in the television screens. So possibly they might attend the test on the next day, either on the same day or on the next day, depends on the timing. So but make sure that you note down the date properly. I hope that you have given the heading. So let's get started with today's test. Let's go through with few instructions today as well. Write all the answers, that means don't leave any answer blank. Write with legible writing, means big clear handwriting, not too big, not too small. Few students are writing in very small handwriting. Please make sure it is legible. Check your answers when asked. Each answer covers 1 mark. Make sure you send it to your teachers after completion. So please make sure you cover all these points in your mind. You keep all these points and work according to this format. I hope you all are ready with your headings. Question 1. Match the following. So please students, just give the heading question 1. Don't write match the following. You just have to give the heading question 1. What are you going to do here is, please directly match the answers. Each match contains 1 mark. So you have to write column A and then directly write the answers beside the question. I will instruct you furthermore when I display the question. Meanwhile, I hope that you have written the question. So, A. So students, quickly write down column A like I have written in the same way, leaving one line after each word. I repeat, leave one line after writing each word. Birds, leave one line. Plants, leave one line. Cockroach, leave one line. And food. So students, you only have to write this side. I will display column B, but you don't have to write column B. What you have to do is, after writing column A, you have to look and search for the answer for the pair, and you have to put dash mark and write the answer just beside these words. So you don't have to draw line, column B, nothing. Just write column A. I hope you have already written. If you have not written, write it down quickly. Birds, plants, cockroach, food. You will get limited time, so please make sure write it down as fast as possible, because this is the test. So make sure you finish it within one take. So here are the options. Again I will repeat, please don't write this. For example, if you feel that the answer, the match for the birds is air holes, then you have to write air holes just beside the birds here by putting dash. I hope you understood this format. So try to find the answers for all this match. The options are right in the column B. Air holes, energy to work, wings, seeds. I repeat the options: air holes, energy to work, wings, seeds. You just have to put dash mark and write the answers for column A. Birds, and then put dash mark and write the answer. Plants, and then put dash mark and write the answer. Cockroach, put dash mark and write the answer. Similarly with the food, put the dash mark here and write the answers. So there is no need of writing column B. You directly have to match and write the answers. For each match contains 1 mark. So I am giving you time to match the pairs. Please start writing the answers. I hope that you will write the correct answer. You will match the correct pair, because this we have practiced a lot. Please make sure, children, you write all the answers properly and try to think the options. Where can you match these options? So match it properly. Birds, plants, cockroach, food. On this side, air holes, energy to work, wings, seeds. Try your level best to match it with the correct option. So I will give you 3 more seconds. I suppose you should not take more than that, because this is very similar to answering one word. You have to just choose the correct word, correct option for each of these 4 words present in column A. Make sure you match it properly. It should be justified that you have matched particular word with particular option. That is why I asked you to leave one line for each. And for suppose when I display the answer and you have not matched it, it is okay, leave it empty, don't copy it down from the screen. I will display the answer for you to check, not for you to copy it down, because you already have copied it down in your fair book. So your time ends here. I am going to display the answer now. Please make sure you only check it. I will request the parents who are watching, please help your children. So answers are here. As you can see on your screens, I have matched it. Birds dash 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 wings. So I have matched birds with wings. Please check your answer. So if you have matched birds with wings, put tick mark here beside birds. And then you will get 1 mark for each pair. Please check your answers properly. Birds equals to wings. Plants equals to seeds. Cockroach equals to air holes. Food equals to energy to work. So these are the matching. I hope students you are correcting your answers. Birds equals to wings. If you have done this match, put tick mark. Plants equals to seeds. If you have done this match, put tick mark. Cockroach equals to air holes. Again put tick mark. Food equals to energy to work. If you have done this match, put tick mark. And each pair contains 1 mark. So overall 4 marks. I hope that you have checked your answers. If you have not matched anything, leave it blank, put cross mark. Please be loyal to yourself. Okay, that is the end of the checking time. Let's move to question 2. Give 2 examples for the following. Please give the heading on the new page. On the new page you have to give the heading, give 2 examples for the following. You just give the heading question 2. Please just give the heading question 2. Now what do you have to do is just write the answers, and if you write your own answers, check it from the textbook. Maybe it is possible that, like I have already informed you while we were writing this give 2 example answers in the fair book, I have told you that it is not necessary that particular question will be having only 2 examples. Now it depends on you which examples you are writing. So if you are writing the examples which I am giving you, you can check the answers from the screen, or else you can check it from your textbook. Let's get started, and I hope that you have given the heading question 2 on the new page. Number 1. Let me read the question for you. Things needed by living things to stay alive. Things needed by living things to stay alive. Please write your answers, students. You have to give the example in 2 words. In 2 words only you will write the answer, because this is 2 example. You have to give the 2 example only. Please write it down. Things needed by living things to stay alive. Which things are needed by the living things to stay alive? Any 2 things. I hope that you have written the answer by now. So please check your answers now. Air, water. You can even write food, water, or shelter, water, shelter, air. Whichever things you have written should be correct. If you have not written air and water, whatever answer you have written, please check it from your textbook after all the questions gets over. And if you have any doubt in any question, you can send the photo directly to me and you can get it checked by me. So I hope you are checking your answers properly. Things needed by living things to stay alive. Please check your answers. Air and water I have written here, and I will give you the same answer as I have given you, while for the first time we were writing 2 examples. Moving on, number 2. Things that living things do. Things that living things do. Please write down the answers. Things that living things do. Please write down the answers. Things that living things do. What do? They do many things, yes. But make sure you try to write the same answer which I have given you. Yeah, it is possible that you will write your own answer, then you have to check it from the textbook. And like I said, if you have any queries in the answer you have written on your own, you can send it to me directly. I hope that you are writing the answers. Things that living things do. So students, now is the time for you to check the answer. Grow, eat. So these are the answers I have given you previously to write it down in your fair notebook. Please check your answers. Grow and eat. Living things do many things. They reproduce, they work, they do many things. They we can say they feel the changes around them. So there are many characteristics. They breathe. So these are the things they do. So if you have written anything else other than grow and eat, you can check the answer from your textbook or you can send it to me. I hope that you have checked this answer. Number 3. Let me read the question. Breathing organs in animals. Breathing organs in animals. Different animals have different breathing habits from different organs. So please try to remember any 2 organs from the chapter and make sure you write it on your own without the help of anyone. And like I said in the starting, be loyal at least to yourself. If you don't know, it's okay to leave it empty. It's just that you try your level best to write the answers on your own. Okay, it's time for you to check your answers. If you have not written, please don't copy it down. Nose, air holes. So you know that many animals like cow, buffalo, lion, these all animals have the breathing organ nose as the human beings have. And air holes. Many animals have air holes in their body. So students, I hope that you have written the same thing. If not, it's okay. Like if you have written gills, fish have gills to breathe. It is also true. That is why I have informed you that you can check your answers either from the textbooks or from me. So please check your answers if you have written this. Okay, moving on to number 4. Sense organs. Yes, this is very easy one because 5 sense organs are described in your book and even I have explained you. So if you remember any 2, you can write down. It is not necessary that whatever I have given you, only that you have to write. So you can write any of 5 sense organs, any of the 2 out of 5 sense organs, you can write it down here. If you remember all 5, this is very easy for you to write any 2. And write down your answers quickly. Make sure whenever you write your answers, you even have to check your spellings. You will get no more than 2 to 3 seconds because this is only in which you have to write 2 words. Please think and write your answers. Okay, now is the time for you to check your answers. Please check your answer. Eyes, ears. Yes. So these are the 2 I have picked up and I have given you the same answers in your fair notebook if you check afterwards. So there you can even write nose, skin, tongue. So these 3 are also the sense organs from which you sense the different things. So here for now I have mentioned 2 because you have to only give 2 examples. Moving on, number 5, animals that lays eggs. Animals that lays eggs. Please write your answers. Which animals do you remember that lays eggs? Yes, there are many animals, but you have to write only 2. and if you remember the answers given by me, it is best. If you don't remember that, try to think about any two animals which lays eggs. Okay, so time is up. Let's see. Now please check your answers. Hen, snake. So students, again these are the answers which I have given you for your fair books. But if you have written any other animals, pigeon, eagle, ostrich, whatever you have written, you can check it, or if you have doubt in your answers, you can send it to me. So for now, these are the two answers, hen and snake. Please check your answers properly, and like I said, each answer contains 1 mark. So now moving on towards write one word answer. So students, in the new page, give the heading question 3. Just write question 3 and nothing else. So what do you have to do? Just write the answers and check once it is displayed on the screen. So you just have to write the answer and check your answer once I display it on the screen. I hope that you have given the heading question 3 on the new page. Let's get started with write one word answer. Number 1, let me read the question. Body parts that help birds to fly. Body parts that help birds to fly. Please write down the answer. So this could not have different answers. This will be having only one answer which I have already given you. So there is no question of writing the answer on your own. I hope students you remember that answer and you are writing the answer. Make sure you write it properly, quickly, because it is only one word answer. I hope students you are writing it. So now let's check the answer. The correct answer is wings. W-I-N-G-S, wings. Please check your answer. I hope now you know how to check your answers, because you are appearing for the class test. Many times you have appeared. So it is not the first time. So I hope you are checking your answers properly, even your spellings. Okay, number 2. Tiny holes found in leaves of plants through which they breathe. Tiny holes found in leaves of plants through which they breathe. Please write down the answer. What are the holes found in the leaves called through which the plants breathe? Try to think about the answer properly, because we have done this more than 3 to 4 times. Okay, now is the time for you to check your answers. The correct answer is stomata. Also please check your spellings. It's S-T-O-M-A-T-A. Please check your spellings as well when you are checking your answer. Spellings also matters a lot. Okay, moving on to number 3. Body parts of an insect that helps them to feel changes around them. Body parts of an insect that helps to feel them changes around them. This is also we have done a lot of time. We have discussed about it. We even saw the photos in the textbook itself while I was explaining you the chapter. Try to think about the answer and you will get the answer surely if you have watched all my explanation videos. So I hope that you have written your answer and with the correct spelling, because in this answer I know that many will make the spelling mistakes. Anyways, the correct answer is antenna. Correct answer is antenna. So here, if you remember that antenna was shown in the picture on the head of grasshopper, and also in the same paragraph cockroach was mentioned. So students, please check the spelling ANTENNAE. Now whether you have written capital or not, that is not the issue here. Just check your spelling and the answer. Okay, moving on to next one, number 4. The process by which living things produce more of their own kind. The process by which living things produce more of their own kind. This is also very easy answer if you remember the chapter, the explanation properly if you have watched the video. That is why I always ask you to watch the explanation video properly. I hope that you are writing your answer. The process by which living things produce more of their own kind. Somewhere in the question you will get the half answer. It's time for you to check your answer now anyways. The correct answer is reproduction. This is the process. So produce, word is already written here. So I suppose that you should easily recollect the answer, easily recollect the explanation part, in which reproduction keyword was also there, and we have discussed it for a lot of time. Kindly check your answer along with the spelling REPRODUCTION, reproduction. Even if you have written reproduce, it is correct. So don't worry. Okay. So students, that was the end of your test today. Calculate your marks properly. Each answer contained 1 mark. So please make sure that you sum up your marks, you total it, and you send the photos to your follow-up teachers. And like I said, if you have any doubt, you can contact me directly. Now we will end our day with today's thought given by our brilliant student Kadri Rabia Bashri, which is the student of standard 6th. Yes. So let's see what thought she has given me to share with my 3rd standard students. The thought is, having money is good, having home is better, but having a loving family is the best. So it is the best thing to have the loving family above having money, home and etc. things, because family, if you have loving family, you will make a good home and money. So this is very wonderful thought. I really appreciate the student of standard 6th Rabia Bashri to share the wonderful thought, and I hope that student of standard 3rd will also share the wonderful thoughts. So with this, thanks for watching the lecture, and do send your work to your teachers. Goodbye, take care.